Look what came! So I am super excited. My dahlia tubers from Longfield Gardens came in just the other day, and I'm just now opening them up and unboxing them. Welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katie and I'm a home gardener in Zone 5B. I make YouTube videos just to document my gardening journey. We're starting something brand new this year where we're making border gardens all along our backyard, and we're really ramping up the garden to make it something really beautiful. I am creating these videos just to document that journey. If you guys hear the little baby chicks are in the background playing around, but to document that journey as we kind of start fresh in the backyard. I've been gardening for about 8 years now, mostly just vegetable gardening, so I'm really getting into my love and passion of flowers. My husband joked the other day that he said maybe I should just not do any veggies this year and stick to flowers because that's what I tend to be better at. But I am excited to show you guys the dahlia tubers that I got from Longfields today. Initially, when I set out, I wasn't going to be ordering dahlia tubers this year. I've grown them in the past and I have dug them up and tried to save them over winter, but I've been unsuccessful. And it kind of deterred me from buying some more because you guys know dahlia tubers can be quite expensive. But I could not resist. I love dahlias. They're gorgeous, these big dinner plate, beautiful blooms, so I had to order some more. And this year I'm gonna try really, really hard to do my research and preserve them as best as I can. Sometimes they just don't do well. Here in Zone 5B, just outside of the Chicago area, you do need to dig them up. Those chickens are having some fun. So I ordered from Longfields this year. The first variety that I got was the Dahlia Single HS Date. These ones grow about 30 to 36 inches tall, and they bloom summer through fall. And so they have a really pretty orange and peach flower to them. I'll put a little picture up here. I thought these would look gorgeous in a bouquet. So all of these dahlias that I'm growing are going to be for my cut garden. Now, I ordered 2 tubers, so 2 tubers were I think like 15 something, but I have heard that you can get more than 2 tubers in them. So we're just gonna open this up and check this out. I'm absolutely gonna get dirty right now, which is fine because I was already planting up some pots earlier and digging in the garden. So this is the first one. It feels really good, and I can already see it's actually starting. You can see that right there. So I'm gonna need to get these either potted up or in the ground. Now we still have about a month left before our last frost. I think our last frost is like May 15th, but I'm wondering if I can wait about 2 weeks to get these into the ground. That was number 1. And this was number 2. Whoop. So there looks like there's a couple on here. So that's kind of cool. These ones are kind of broken off, so I don't think I can use these. I'll have to cut these off. But that one looks pretty good too. So we got 2 of the single HS Date. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be quite the mess. Okay, the next one that I ordered was the Dahlia Dinner Plate Cafe au lait. This is also, it comes with 2, and these are like a very white kind of pinky tone. I've grown these in the past. These are, I love these ones. These get about 36 to 48 inches tall, and the bloom themselves, this is a dinner plate bloom, so they are like 8 to 10 inches. They are just so gorgeous. And these will bloom like midsummer to frost. Let's see this one. Trying to be really gentle. This one's got a little bit of growth going on too right now. And these seem pretty good. There's a couple on here. So, I mean, that's just one. There's a couple of tubers on here. Here's number 2. Has some growth going on as well. I mean, these are so huge. This is totally worth it. And I think there's even another one in here. It only came as 2, but I think they gave me 3 in this bag. And then, oh yeah, look. It's like a bonus. So those are the Cafe au lait dinner plate. I'm still deciding. Ooh, that's very dusty. We need to get these out soon. Oh my goodness. I should have done this outside. Yeah. There's like dust on me. Let me just take them all out. Okay, the next variety, I'm not gonna show you guys because I am making a mess. The next variety that I got was the dinner plate breakout variety. This is one of my favorite dahlias. These are also like 8 to 10 inch blooms. I just love the peachy color. Actually, I think here's a picture right here. I'll show you guys of my daughters posing with them. Super, super gorgeous blooms. And these get 36 to 48 inches tall as well. And then the last variety, did I only order 4? The last variety that I ordered was these ball marron. So the ball marron, I have 2 varieties that are dinner plates. One was just a nice soft little flower looking the HS date. And then this ball marron is a ball dahlia. I wanted to have just a different shape and size dahlia to grow this year. This is the first time, oh my goodness. Oh. Like it's Ash Wednesday or something. This is the first time I'm growing a ball variety, but I'm really excited. If you can't tell, I do love orange, peachy tones just from my raw dolls that I ordered and my Crown Princess Margrethe climbing rose. I do love orange, but I love the oranges that look like the glow of a sunset. Like that's one of my favorite colors. Oh my goodness. I sound like Pita from Hunger Games. Just gonna have to. This is very reminiscent of like a pizza moment on Hunger Games where he's like, oh, what's your favorite color? Mine is orange, but not like a bright orange, like the color of a sunset. I hear you, Peta. That is my favorite color too. And so this ball marron is kind of that glowy orangey sunset color that I really, really love. And these get 30 to 40 inches tall, and they are prolific bloomers, and they have a really fantastic vase life. So these are gonna be gorgeous in a bouquet in my cut garden. These bloom July through September, so a little bit shorter growing period than the other 2. And the flowers themselves are about 3 to 4 inches. So they're smaller than the dinner plates. Obviously they're ball dahlias, but I'm really excited to grow these and see how they look in a bouquet all together, because I have a feeling it's going to be gorgeous. It's going to be gorgeous. So one thing that I want to stress to you guys is that if you can't plant these bulbs out right away like me, or if you can't pot them up, sometimes you can pot them up and start them in a pot. You do want to at least keep them in a cool, dry place, and make sure to check your packages when they arrive to make sure that the bulbs look good, that they're not mushy, they're not dried out, they are solid. You do want to make sure to plant them out within a month of receiving them. So I know I've had them for about a week now. I'm probably gonna plant them out in the next 2 weeks. I was thinking of maybe potting them up to have them start indoors sooner, but honestly, I don't really have the room for that, and I'm kind of tired of seed starting as it is. I prefer the method of just planting everything into the ground, and so that's what we're gonna do. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. We will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.